In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your caller ID to your ePOS terminal. In the box, you will find the caller ID itself, a couple of extra gray cables, and the yellow adapter. You will also need your phone with these elements to be able to perform the installation. First of all, let's take the yellow adapter. You will need to take one end of the adapter and insert it to port A in your caller ID, as shown in the video. Next up, you will need to remove your phone line from the back of your phone. This will then go into the yellow adapter. Next up, use one of the extra gray cables. Take one end and plug it to the yellow adapter, and the other end to the back of your phone where the phone line was. All that's left to do now is to take the USB cable of the caller ID and connect it under your terminal screen. Now you can go to your ePOS Hybrid app and press Extras, go to Settings, and scroll all the way down to the bottom until you find the caller ID section. Here, please make sure that iHyb CID is selected. Once that's done, you can go back. Now, in order for this to work, you will have to contact your phone supplier and make sure they activated your caller ID function. Once that's done, if someone calls you, it should look like this. If you have any queries about this, please contact our support team.